Lucy, who's this?
Santa.
And what do you say to him?
Ho, ho, ho.
And what else do you say to him?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Now, can you sing Old MacDonald?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Eating happy cake.
You are eating half cake. And what else?
Pig.
Beans, but what else? What's all gone in here?
A tree.
I know. Where did it go?
A Tim.
Where did it go?
A Tim. Yeah.
Where did it go?
A Tim.
Did it go in your belly?
Yeah.
Is it cold? Are you being a snake? Well. Okay? You did cough. Are you okay?
A Tim.
No, we don't have any more ice cream.
Happy cake.
Yeah, I guess you'll have to settle for happy cake.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.